It's pole to pole or hole to hole. All right, that's the rules.
Okay. Fair enough.
We got a long on this side and a short on that side, and a short on this side and a long on that side. That could affect the structural integrity.
The buns laid out and all that with the bacon and all in there. I'm gonna have these done just a second. You need me to give my bow and thump that thing, see if I can turn it over?
Yeah, probably.
I'll put the smallest target the furthest away.
Yep. The par one's 38 on mine.
29.7.
Yours is true ballistic.
37.6.
Every air I've ever got, because I'm right-handed, but I'm right-handed, is designed to get a right spin coming off the string, off there. You'd think on the left-hander, they would set it, blades to force a left spin, where it's spinning out of the actual main body of the bow, though. But his are just like mine, so which I don't know if you'd have to request that, you have to do that big custom arrows, but I mean, you can't get more accurate. It's big, right? Oh, I think that.
Look out!
We don't have anything that the kids are gonna want except for my guns and a little bit of your jewelry.
That's it.
So,
That's it.
the guns and the jewelry, and I realize that. That's why I'm sort of being selective on the guns I buy, because they can figure out how to divide all that out.
Michael and Miles can have the jewelry.
There you go.
There you go, my brother. Now you're not going to see any deer because you put your hand back in there. Quit messing with the bag. What are you doing? You're ruining it. Hey, boy.
You ain't bothering me, son. So what is important?
Whoa, man. I wish we had you falling on this camera.
What is important? I got clean underwear.
I got something for you, Daniel.
Sir?
Got something for you.
Oh, man.
Black boy. No, you did not.
Yep, there it is.
There you go.
Man, you face it to me.
What is that?
Let's go! Bet I'm wearing this in the stand tomorrow. December.
That's right.
Catch the video, cousin.
What did you say, Daniel?
Bad day to be a spike.
Like I did my spikes.
Where'd you get that? Where'd you get that?
That's freaking great, dude.
Look at that. Look
Put
at
it over
that.
here.
Do they have a button buck shirt for you?
No.
Oh, man. Hey.
I'm gonna find one. I'm gonna make one. We could be twins.
Yeah.
That's great. Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome.
He gives and takes away. Let's go. Is that you?
That's me.
You suck, bro. You lost to me. I'm in last place this year, bro.
You lost the
I haven't even won yet. My one point was just because I
The league?
broke the median.
I don't care what everybody else picks. I'll go last. You know how lucky I am.
Nowadays, like,
Let me
I'm
fold,
just lucky.
let me fold that 2-year-old. Look at how lucky I am. I would love nothing more, Larry, than for you to shoot a buck tomorrow.
There you go.
Yeah. Any buck.
It's not the big spike at the middle gate or the back 40 trunk.
Yeah, we really need to
We
protect
need
the
to save the
spikes
spikes.
because we gotta
Video it.
make a film later on.
Oh, so the boat came in. The spike's going to be video.
That's right. We're gonna
Okay.
we're gonna make a spike famous. Everybody talks a big game and they talk about filling the freezer and this brown is down and If it makes you excited, shoot it. Nobody actually makes a movie about it. That 200-inch deer, and that spike taste the same. Actually, the spike probably tastes better. Yeah, it does taste better.
I've never seen anybody as excited about holding a spike's head as I saw Daniel that night.
It was the first deer at the Dean Land. I even texted Dad. Dad, there's a deer at the feeder. I have no idea what it is. Can I shoot? Go for it, buddy.
Are you,
Wham!
Are you admitting to shooting this deer after legal shooting line?
Maybe.
Maybe. Oh my God.
You get that on camera, bud?
Dude, that was like,
Something came out.
I'm gonna have pink eye. See, Dean's the kind of person though that like would come into your room in your sleep and chloroform you and choke you out and then like, what's up?
What was that?
You thought? What now, little boy? Mama told me if you ain't got nothing nice to say, don't say nothing at all.
You ain't done a good job of that ever in your life, son.
You ain't lying. You ain't lying.
It don't matter. If you're waiting on a customer, you ought to know how to wait on a customer. Either you are there to serve or you need to go to the house. Right.
And if they're at the house, you'd be like, you need to get off and get a job.
It ain't gonna do no good.
So he would build wooden lock-ons out of wood.
It would be interesting if we didn't have, because I mean, what has it been, the last 5 years we've accumulated the ability to have all this knowledge.
Yeah.
But we used to do it without all that knowledge.
Yeah.
Don't have to now, but it would be interesting to see how we would all manage that.
Now, if we hadn't got the picture of them on the cell camera, which didn't matter to me at all, I could care less what's on your dang cell camera. We made the plan like 4 days earlier. You put the cell cam in there. It's like, hey, here's this buck. I don't care. You gonna not go hunt somewhere if you don't see a big deer on the cell
We
camera?
gotta edit this part out too.
Chris is like,
Chris, you got a lot of
definitely
editing.
not taking
You
this
got a
out.
lot of editing.